My first procedure here, when I came here, I had deep cleaning done to my teeth. I was pretty anxious about it and really nervous with the procedure because previous dentists that I had visited, they weren't as careful or considerate of the pain that I was in during the time of the procedures.
Chris came to us seeking help. He hasn't seen a dentist in over 5 years, and he came in with some pretty significant anxiety and really wanted to focus on restoring form and function and aesthetics. One of the things that we came up with for Chris was to try to save as much of his existing dentition as we could. We wanted to save his teeth. We wanted to mainly give him back his smile.
When I first met Dr. Aneta for the first time, she was really sweet and she was really caring. She really put me at ease, and my anxiety literally fleeted away as she was talking to me about the procedures and she was talking to me about the plan. Dr. Aneta was explaining to me that during the night I grind my teeth, which has been causing misalignment in my jaw. She had recommended a overnight sleeping guard that would help me out. She was explaining to me that with the decay that was happening in my mouth, that it was also causing even more progressive jaw misalignment. So she wanted to start taking care of my front of my teeth first in order to work from front to back. So that was basically where we decided to do all that at.
I think he's pretty happy. I think his confidence, I think, is probably back a little bit, and he's doing good. He's taking care. He's motivated. He's motivated to keep his teeth and maintain his oral care.
Prior to the work that I had here at Dental Royal Care, it has been an astronomical difference in my confidence, not only visually, but also internally as well. Oh, I cannot express the amount of gratitude I have for the team here at Royal Dental Care. They have really went out of their way to make me feel special, make me feel better about myself, and they made me feel more confident in coming to the dentist in order to get the things that I need done, and especially in a timely and efficient manner.